Want to build a beautiful, high-converting landing page without any coding skills? Let me show you how, step by step. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to create your first landing page using Systeme.io. 100% free, no credit card needed. First, go to Systeme.io and sign up using your email address. You'll be inside the dashboard in less than a minute. Systeme.io, sign-up form with email input, no credit card text visible, clean layout. 16.9. After logging in, find and click on Funnels from the left-hand menu. This is where all your landing pages will live. Click the Create button, then type a name for your new funnel, something like Lead Magnet Page or Sign Up Test. For this tutorial, select the goal Build an Audience, then hit Create Funnel to get started. You'll be taken to the Funnel Builder screen. Now click Add Step to create the actual landing page inside your funnel. Give your step a name like Opt-in Page, then choose the type Squeeze Page from the drop-down. Systeme.io will show you a library of clean, modern landing page templates. Pick one that fits your brand. Hover over the template you like and click Select. This will load the page into the editor. Cursor hovering over Systeme.io template with Select button glowing. 16.9. Start by editing the headline. Click it, then change the text to something like Get Your Free Guide. You can also swap out the image with your own or select one from the stock gallery inside Systeme.io. Drag an opt-in form into the page so visitors can enter their email and join your list. Don't forget to update your button. Change the text, color, and destination URL. Upload your logo and adjust fonts to keep everything consistent with your brand style. Use spacers and dividers to improve the layout and make the page feel more professional. Check how your page looks on both desktop and mobile. Systeme.io makes it fully responsive. Once you're happy with everything, click Save Changes so you don't lose your work. Now hit View Page to see your landing page live. It's ready to share with your audience. Live Systeme.io landing page opening in Browser tab. 16.9. That's it. You now have a professional landing page built in minutes. No tech headaches. Systeme.io user celebrating with Landing Page Ready badge on screen. Bright, clean layout. 16.9.